Hey everyone, here is my latest project. It's a 1991 Jayco 1006 Deluxe. This pop-up camper was actually given to me by a friend. It needs a lot of work, but it's going to be worth it. Let's get into it. As you can see, the top has been strapped down for transport. That's one of the things that's wrong with it. The posts for the clamps were just super rusted and rotted. That's going to be one of the things that we are fixing. So here you can see the pop-up all the way popped up with the two beds slid out. The canvas has not been stretched over it because it's going to be replaced. It's got some leaks in it. The other bed. There's the inside. You can see some of the holes in the canvas. That's all going to be replaced. The curtains have all come down. My wife's going to be making some curtains, using those as a template. All of the cabinets will be primered and painted. There'll be a video for that, as well as the floor, getting new vinyl to replace that. And here it is with the sink and stove flipped out, as well as a little dinette put together. The dinette also converts into a small bed. With everything cleared out, we can begin to clean.
We are going to start cleaning out this pop-up camper, and as you can see, there's a decent amount of work that needs to be done, and we're just going to start by cleaning everything. So we will be making new curtains. These ones, I don't know if you can see the pattern. Hang on. They are pretty dated, and not to mention have been rained on and kind of moldy. So these little plastic pieces are what actually hold it into the sides of the camper. I have no clue where to buy these things or if they're even sold, so we're taking them off to put them on the new ones that I'm going to sell.
That's all the time we have for today. On the next video, we'll be showing you how to make the hooks for the latch, as well as probably getting into replacing some of the rotted wood on the front. Thanks for watching.